A massive improvement on last year is how Jamaica's coaching staff has described its recent performance at the CARIFTA Aquatics Championships in the Bahamas. But the challenging conditions were a feature of the meet, according to the nation's swimmers. 18 gold, 12 silver and 15 bronze is what Jamaica's swimmers returned to the island with from the 5-day CARIFTA Aquatics Championships in the Bahamas. The performance was a massive improvement on last year, where the country garnered 30 medals with a single gold. Coach Kafia Rapley spoke about some of the highlights.
Individually, we had some big performances. I would like to point out the national age group records that were broken, 2 from the 15-17 boys and 1 from the 13-14 girls.
Kai Radcliffe was a double gold medalist, topping the field in the 50 and 100 meter breaststroke, but says the conditions were far from ideal for getting best times.
I'm pretty sure everyone can agree with me when I say that every time we dove in, there was a shiver down the spine and everybody was jumping up and down saying, "Woo, it's cold." And to also surprise us, it was a cold front during the meet. So it was extremely cold, the water was cold, but I'm glad that a lot of us were able to adjust quickly and some of us were able to adjust gradually, like myself.
Christania Shirley, who returned with a couple of medals, also says she was affected by the cold conditions.
Yes, this year CARIFTA was really tough. The competition was stiff, it was challenging, but I still pushed through and came home with 2 medals. Pool was extremely cold, then the atmosphere, the pool water was also really cold. But we just had to keep warm and work through that.
Matthew Kennedy took home 4 silver and 3 bronze and turned in a host of best times to go along with them.
I PB'd in all my races by at least 2 seconds, and I just want to thank God, my coaches, my parents and my mentality for helping me get these rewards.
And Leah Forrester and Alia Heaven were grateful for the experience.
This is actually my first CARIFTA, so the experience is really good. The energy from the team was amazing. I mean, just watching all of the swims, normally I just see it on TV, so being able to see it in person, seeing all from 11, 12 to 15, 17, and being able to compete with the 18 and overs from the region, it was actually great.
Okay, so I was in the newer age group, the 18 and overs, so being able to medal was definitely hard. So say for the 53, and after that 25 to medal, and my best time is at 26, so being able to drop all of that time was definitely difficult. But the experience overall was great. Getting to race with Olympians, with people who are going to Paris 2024 was definitely a great experience.